Today, I'm going to be talking about my highest paying load in Landstar, and we're getting started right now. What is the highest paying load that you've had at Landstar? Leave a comment below. Also, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. My highest paying load at Landstar was from Nashville, Tennessee to Chicago, Illinois. The booked line haul on it was $3,000. Now, this is a really cool load because I'm originally from Chicago. That's not my home address, but that's where I'm originally from. And it was going to, I guess, a concert or show or whatever called Lollapalooza. Now, I've been living in Chicago ever, probably up until I was 18 years old. Never heard of Lollapalooza. So it was my first time hearing about it. I was like, the load was through the J&J agency. I got really lucky on this one. When I showed up, even like I guess some of the other guys who've done loads for him before, or I guess guys who do a lot of the touring and logistics loads, whatever. Like, how did you get on this load? I was like, I saw it on the board. I called on it. I got lucky. I personally have not had the opportunity to do any tours, but in the future, I definitely would like to. I've heard nothing but great things about it, and it looks like it's actually pretty lucrative. So the booked line haul on this was $3,000. The booked miles on it was 435 at $6.90 a mile. All right. The fuel surcharge on this was $488, and so truck revenue, I think I took an advance of $1388. So truck revenue or truck to the truck was $1950. Just really good load, best load I've had. Best load at Landstar that I had, and it was a lot of fun. It was really cool, like seeing the guys there that had more experience with this stuff. There were like 4 or 5 other Landstar trucks there. I think 2 guys might have had their own trailers. One guy, he was pretty used to actually doing things like that, so he had been on tours, and I guess a lot of times when you're going on a tour, they actually have like a lead driver, and he's kind of in charge of staying in touch with all the other drivers to make sure that the equipment gets there on time and safely. So I don't know if they actually travel in convoys. I don't think they do. We didn't travel in convoy. As guys got loaded up, they went ahead and left, and we met up there, and it was just a really cool experience. Another really cool thing about this load was I got paid a per diem also. Now, I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I think overall I ended up getting like $300 in per diem. So that was actually really cool, and it was unexpected. I'm not even sure if it was actually on the rate con or not, but when I looked at my BCO settlement, I had $300 of per diem, so that was pretty cool. Another really cool thing about this load, it was 464 all-in actual miles. That's including deadhead to pick up the load because I wasn't very far, and then also the actual miles going to Chicago. Not sure if you can find loads like that in this market still, but that load was back in July, and this is 2022. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got some value out of it. Like I said, it was a really cool experience. Hopefully I'll get to do it again one day in the future. If you've done loads like that or tour loads, what have been some of your experiences? Anyways, like, comment, consider subscribing. And remember, hard times don't last, hard truckers do. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.